Maifest 2022 in Lincoln Square. What you see here are party revelers in their natural habitat, searching profusely for Underberg. Little do they know Captain Underberg is here to save the day. I am your captain, Captain Underberg. Of the SS, you're gonna get some good times. Underberg. It started as a legacy, and now we're moving on to an empire. Good day, sir. Would you like to drink an Underberg with me?
Absolutely.
Have you ever had an Underberg before?
I have in Wisconsin once.
Do you remember the night?
No.
Is this the voice we've decided on?
Yes, Captain Underberg.
Right.
Yes, it's very official. Slightly British, but kind of not. Yeah! You, my lady, have you ever had Underberg?
Many, many times.
What is your favorite part of drinking an Underberg?
When it's over.
What's your favorite part about Underberg?
The second one.
43 herbs from across the world.
Very nice.
Wow. That's potent. Anise, that's what it is. It's really good.
This way to the Underberg party. Pardon me, that's a wild reach I have there. Underberg away! Wow, yeah, I like your mouth-off approach.
That was good. Perfect for after dinner.
Profound.
Tastes like cinnamon.
Would you drink Underberg again?
Sure.
Here you go. It comes in this bag for a very specific reason. It's to avoid counterfeiters. Apparently, when it was originally created, a lot of people were trying to get rich off the hooch.
Smooth and delicious.
Yeah, it's like a digestive. Got a little Christmas in there, a little Halloween, and a little party.
The holidays and the party, all in one.
It's a little bit like Jägermeister, Christmas. I see Christmas now coming. I don't feel any Halloween.
Take me to the Underberg!
Unlike anything I've ever tasted before.
Delicious on a hot summer day.
This is a bitters. It's a secret recipe from Germany. It's usually used as a digestive or a party starter.
It's a bitter sambuca, kind of.
Delicious. Yeah. It's great.
This way to the pretzels. How many pretzels have you sold so far?
1,647,000.
Did you want to try out Underberg?
Absolutely.
What is your favorite part about Underberg?
That it comes from Germany.
Yes!
I like it on ice.
I'm sorry, I am the official referee for feathers and hats. Sir, I believe that you do have the largest feather in your hat. What is your secret?
I bought it.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
What did you think?
Great.
Good to the last drop. It's time for my cameraman to do some work himself. A man who drinks Underberg is a very nice man. Do I know you?
No.
I know.
You gotta do it right now. Here.
I'll give you another one for the road.
You have gas, upset stomach, sour stomach, drink this, and you're better than you. And I'm Mexican. Delicious.
I love this guy. Anything that you want to say to the millions of watchers?
Shout out to my auntie.
Maifest 2022. If you don't have a little boogie in you, drink an Underberg.
Prost. Perfect. I lost mine. Has anyone seen mine?
The man in lederhosen with a saxophone around his neck. Just gets me all hot and Underbergy. Wow, well, I'm Captain Underberg. Would you like to try it today?
I don't know. I gotta give a speech in a little bit. I'm the May Queen this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am standing before royalty. The May Queen is before you. Bow down, everyone. No, it's not that. It's not that kind of thing. Goodbye, Your Highness. I will see you there. Hello, my friend. You seem like you are a father.
Yes.
Woo, that was close. Give it a drink and let me know what you think.
Go for it.
Go for it all the way.
I love it.
Awesome.
Oh, it's great.
Mother and father approved. You know what goes really great with beer?
Underberg.
I need it after the pretzels, you know.
What do you
Delicious.
think? Here you see a man with an accordion having more good times than any other human I have ever witnessed. Captain Underberg, they're free, my friend. It's a bitters. Yeah, it's a bitters from Germany. It's take me home. Yeah, Prost. It's delicious. I'm hooked.
I don't think I've ever had anything like it. I'm intrigued. I didn't spit it out. Like it's very interesting.
It's like Jägermeister or Cabana. Really taste the clove, cinnamon in there.
Would you drink it again?
Yeah.
You got some potato salad, some kraut, and some brat there? Goes with a little bit of bitters. The governor of Maifest is here, ladies and gentlemen. What's your secret to getting reelected?
I always drink Underbergs before the campaign and, big liters of beer. The outfit doesn't hurt. You can do anything when you're wearing leather shorts.
Prost, my friend.
So good.
So good.
Digestion.
Herbally.
Herbally delicious. This is Captain Underberg signing off from Maifest. Captain Underberg, out.
The Underberg leather belt that you are wearing, you can receive for 480 tops. The china, 384 tops per plate.
How many plates? Did he give you a full set?
Yeah, we've got like 12 of them.
The life of a carny is a raw one.